This is a tiger. It lives in a jungle. The body of a tiger is covered with a lot of hair called fur. A tiger can be orange or white in color. But all tigers have black stripes on their body. Look! A tiger also has a lot of hair around its neck and jaw. It has a big head with 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a nose. It also has very sharp teeth in its mouth. A tiger has a long tail and 4 legs. Do you know? It also has special feet called paws. Each paw has big and sharp nails, also known as claws. Have you seen a tiger?